If you're a financial advisor and your phone isn't ringing with consistent new client inquiries, there's usually a deeper reason why. A lot of advisors are told, run ads, post more content, do SEO, and suddenly leads are supposed to show up. Then when they don't, it feels like something's broken. Usually it's not broken. Most advisory firms are just focusing on disconnected marketing tactics instead of building a system where everything works together. What we see all the time are advisory firms trying to scale traffic before they've really dialed in their positioning, their messaging, their website conversion, and the actual prospect experience. Because if those pieces are weak, more traffic usually just creates more inconsistency, more noise, not necessarily more qualified conversations. You don't need random marketing activity. You need a system where everything works together. That's what we focus on at Advisor Momentum. We're not a generic marketing agency trying to learn the advisor space. Advisor Momentum was built specifically for financial advisors with a deep understanding of how advisors grow, how prospects build trust, and how the client journey actually works in this industry. Because marketing for financial advisors is different, and your growth strategy should reflect that. If you're ready to build a more scalable growth strategy for your firm, click the link below to schedule a call with our team.